Praise God.
Yeah, believe me, you do us a favor.
There's no file on a Willie Lopez.
What?
He's probably some old boyfriend she was trying to get even with. Here, look at this. This, Oda Mae Brown has a record, goes back a long way. Fraud, numbers rackets, you name it. See, she's a real pro.
The hell, this has nothing to do with anything.
In 1997, Shreveport, Louisiana, arrested for forgery, selling false IDs, served 1 year. 2001, Baton Rouge, arrested for fraud, numbers records hearing, served 10 months. 2004, Hattiesburg, Mississippi, fraud, 7 months. Look, it goes on and on and on and on. This Oda Mae Brown's a charlatan. You can't believe anything she says.
No, this is impossible. There were words. Private things. How could she have known?
Tell him, Mr. Oda.
Got a million counts. A lot of times they read the obits. All she had to do was see that word banker. Hell, they'll even go through your garbage sometimes. Find things they can use, you know. Letters, old papers. People want so much to believe. They're vulnerable, they're grieving, and they don't need much. I bet you threw stuff out, huh? That could have been anything. What about that underwear she knew all about, that green underwear? I bet you zeroed right in on that.
You can't do this, please. Wait, please.
It's over. I have to let go. Now
you know that I'm here. You know I am.
It's part of the deal.
I'm with you, right beside you. I need you to believe it. Don't lose me in this journey. Not over, not too good. All of my dreams went to bed. you to find. I'm not your God. Intuition is right. I'm not gonna leave. It's hard to gamble.